Spring returns in early March. In the pristine forest of the Wuyi Mountains, the insects gradually wake up from hibernation. However, from the moment they come to, a survival crisis is around the corner. Because the insect-eating birds become vibrant and dynamic during the season. The vigilant blue whistling thrush forages near the streams. The larvae of bugs with shells are its favorite food in spring. Its brown eyes provide sharp and accurate vision. The bird does not like to lose its prey, especially to uninvited rivals. The plumeous water redstart often lingers on the rocks. The male bird has chestnut tail feathers, while those of the female are gray and white. When the plumeous water redstart seeks its prey, its tail flaps like a folding fan to startle the insects nearby. When the bugs fly up, it grabs them in a flash. The odds are always high. Compared to human eyes, birds have a more developed visual system. They can see 4 primary colors and 12 main color combinations. With this special ability, they can easily see through the insect's camouflage. In the Wuyi Mountains, below 2,000 meters, the deciduous woodland is home to a rare kind of bird, the pied falconet. With the body size of a sparrow, it is the world's smallest bird of prey. The pied falconet has black and white plumage, hence the name panda bird. They often stand in the canopies of large arbors to look for prey. The wide view, together with a special visual system, allow them to quickly lock onto the target. Diurnal raptors can adjust the shape of their lenses to look far and magnify the target. This makes it easy for the birds to find the prey 100 meters away. Raptors can locate their prey from a distance. As for terrestrial birds, the food within reach is more important. The endemic Cabot's tragopan is under first-class state protection in China. Most of them live at an elevation of 1,500 meters in the mixed coniferous and broadleaved forests. This heavy pheasant is not a skilled flyer. They mainly hang out on the ground, looking for fruits and seeds. Pheasants have more red oil droplets in the retina. The droplets work as filters to enhance the color contrast between the food and the soil, helping them find their delicacies more precisely. For most bird species, the special and advantageous visual systems explain the natural law of survival. More than 300 kinds of birds inhabit the Wuyi Mountains, calling and soaring for generations. The richly endowed virgin forests have become a paradise for birds.